Alright, so maybe you're like me and you already have a GoPro or you're about to get one and you're wondering what's up with the folding feet. Well, this video should help. So in my first video on the GoPro Hero 9 Black, which I'll put up above, I said this was great that it's all waterproof. You don't have to worry about needing other cases, but the folding feet, while it's a cool feature that they fold in, I thought might pose a risk. And since it's not something you normally have around, you should order another set, because if it breaks, you're not going to be able to use it on any mounts. Well, of course, what happened? And that is a wrap. Jiminy Peak 2022 SK Lifestyle, you already know. Oh. And SK Lifestyle just broke the bottom of his GoPro, so I'll be ordering that on Amazon soon. Yeah, I was out snowboarding, it got cold, it's been used for a while, and they finally just snapped right off. So I had to order this up, about 20 bucks on Amazon. Now I will say, thankfully, they do include a screwdriver with it. So of course you have screwdrivers at your house. I have little tiny ones for glasses and stuff, but at least it's right here, no questions asked. So with that said, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you a close-up on the GoPro, show me quickly just installing it, and then putting it back on a mount and making sure that I am good to go, because it's been a couple days since I've been able to mount this on anything. So if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Be sure to hit the like button if this is helpful to you. And with that said, let's get to it. All right, and before we get started, be sure to subscribe to SK Lifestyle. Yeah, that's right. You just want to hit that subscribe button right there and the notification bell. All right, so here's a quick look at just what it looks like up close. So you can see the 4 little holes that are going to hold down the bracket, and you can kind of see the grooves in there where the screws are going to lock into. Now these are tiny screws, and these are tiny little holes. So you can see after a while, pushing and pulling and then freezing cold temperatures or extreme hot temperatures, how something could kind of loosen up and then ultimately break. So let's get this thing repaired. Alright, so this is what came in the box. So you can see we got screws for the Hero 8 or up, and we got screws for the Max. It comes with a little screwdriver, and we got the actual folding feet. So let's get this thing installed. Alright, so we got the feet on. Now for the real test. And there we go. We are back in action. So, what do I have to say about these folding feet real quick? Well, I'll say in the kit that I got, the smaller screws for the Hero 8 do not fit the Hero 9. The Max screws fit the Hero 9. So you saw me struggling with that. One other thing, the screws are so tiny, it's really hard to mess with your fingers. So what I kind of did is, you've seen, I just kind of like dropped them near the hole. And because there's magnetic pieces right in there, they kind of just, when they get close, they drop right in. So you don't have to force it too much. One little kind of annoying thing is that the feet are also looking like they want to fold back in with the magnetic piece in them. So they kind of stick to the screwdriver, so it can kind of mess you up a bit. But other than that, it's really not hard. It would only taken about 25-30 seconds if I wasn't doing it behind a camera. So, you know, it's not a bad deal at all, but it's just something to be mindful of. If you're kind of clumsy and stuff, then just take your time, kind of use those few tips, and it should help you out. So I did check my other one. My folding feet are still all together, the mounting piece. So I just need another set of Hero Max screws, and I'll have 2 sets. So if it happens again while I'm out on vacation or somewhere where there's not a Best Buy or an Amazon that can get to you next morning, well, at least I won't be SOL. So hopefully this was helpful to you. If it was, again, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button as well. Be sure you catch all of my videos. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you next time.